Oh, I think we killed it. Ever try to keep a Venus flytrap alive? It ain't easy, that's for sure. Piggy little buggers. Wrong soil, wrong type of water. Let's head out to our neighborhood Lowe's and get the right stuff. Near the entrance to the lawn and garden section, you'll find what you need. Do not use potting soil. Buy a small bag of perlite and peat moss instead. Don't use a clay pot. Choose either resin or plastic, and use a watering tray for water. Now let's head home and see if we can save this guy. Be sure to make a hole at the bottom of your pot for the water to reach the soil. A screwdriver works just fine. For the soil, add 1 part perlite to 1 part peat moss and make sure to mix it all together. That looks pretty good. Now let's transfer our little guy over to his new home. Now this is very important. When watering, only use distilled water. The minerals in the tap water will actually kill it. Now let's find a nice and sunny spot and pray that he makes it.